Hey everyone, it's Marissa with StrongSuit. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a timeline and statement of facts. You can find our timeline tool under litigation on the homepage. To get started, add a new matter and type in the title of your matter as well as a brief description and background information about your case. You'll also have the option to add in causes of action, defenses, and specify any documents that you would like to be analyzed. From there, you can find your matter down below. If you select it, you'll be prompted to upload documents from your local drive by clicking the button or by simply dragging and dropping documents. As your documents upload, you'll be able to see them in the file viewer on the right-hand side. Once completed, go to the timeline and you'll be able to see your chronology. You can organize it by relevance or by order. You can edit any of your chronological events by typing in different date or an event description. You can also add new timeline events by hitting the plus button in the top left corner, which will allow you to add new events and upload supporting documents. If you're happy with your chronology, you can download the report into a Word document. You can also go over to your statement of facts, where you'll see that statement of facts are organized for you. You can rewrite them in a number of ways, including making it shorter or adding conclusions. You can also edit it directly. And if you're happy with your statement of facts, you can download it into a Word document. If you have any questions about the documents that you've uploaded, you can go over to the Find Answers tab where you can ask questions about your specific documents. Once completed, you can push all of the information to our legal research and drafting tool by hitting the Send Analysis button under the Statement of Facts tab. If you have any questions about this tool or any of our tools, please feel free to reach out to our team at support@strongsuit.com. Thank you.